Hello everyone.
Hello my friends, welcome back to Unicorn Diary.
අයිබෝවන් දුවේ පුතේ අදත් ඔයගොල්ලෝ එකතු වෙන්නේ Unicorn Diary YouTube channel එකත් එක්ක. So therefore I will introduce Princess Merida and Odara. So as usual, now the teacher also here. Then my children, today we are going to do a nice handwork. Odara, do you know what it is?
It's a flower.
Yes. Today also we are going to paint some flowers using
Fork.
yes, using a fork. ඉතින් අද Princess Merida ලෑස්ති වෙලා ඉන්නවා ලස්සන handwork එකක් කරන්න. එයා එකට යොදාගෙන තියෙනවා මෙන්න මේ වගේ ද්‍රව්‍ය කිහිපයක්. What are the things we need to do the handwork?
Paper.
Yes, an A4 sheet,
Fork.
a fork, a paintbrush,
A paintbrush.
a paper plate, and fabrics. What are the colors, Odara?
Purple.
Purple.
Red. Orange. Yellow.
Yes. Now let's start the handwork. Are you ready?
Yes.
Today you can help Princess Merida. Okay, let's start now. First we are going to apply some colors on the fork. First we took what color?
Purple.
Yes. අපි ඉස්සෙල්ලාම ගෑරුප්පුවේ මෙන්න මේ විදියට පාට ආලේප කරගන්නවා. ඒකට ඔයාලට මේ වගේ පින්සලක් යොදා ගන්න පුළුවන්. Okay, give the A4 sheet, darling. Right. You also can hold the fork and help her if you like. Right. Now, what did we do?
We make the fork print.
Yes, we printed the fork on the paper like this. Again, we can apply the same color. What's that color, Dara?
Purple.
Purple color. Right, then you can help Princess Merida again. Okay, now we are printing flowers using a fork like this. Right. Okay, now let's wipe the fork. You can use a tissue paper, or else if you want you can wash the fork. Right. Now let's paint.
Red.
Yes, let's paint with the red color. You can apply the paints on the fork like this.
Wear the color nicely.
Yes,
No white spaces.
no white spaces.
Or no any of big white spaces.
Yeah. Right, now let's print the flowers on the paper like this. Slowly you can move the fork like this. Wow, it's nice. We have 2 purple flowers and 1 red flower. Now,
It's time to the orange.
yes, let's use another color. You hold the fork. Let's add the paints on the fork. Right, again we are printing the flowers on the paper like this. ඉතින් ඔයාලටත් පුළුවන් මේ වගේ paints ගැරප්පුවේ ආලේප කරලා මේ විදියට ඔයාගේ ඒ blank sheet එක මත තියාගන්න. Okay, now we have finished printing the flowers. Next we are going to draw the stems. They're also helping Princess Marida. Right. Now we are drawing the stems like this. Let's draw the stems like this. Right. What are we drawing now, Odara?
The stems.
Stems, and what's that?
Hey.
That yellow color long one. I think those are leaves.
Yes. Let's ask.
Yeah. Princess Marida, are those leaves?
Yes.
Okay.
They are very beautiful.
Wow. Really nice. Do you like it?
Yes.
Okay. Now we have finished making flower painting today. Odara, can you help me to hold this? Right, then Princess Marida has finished making this beautiful painting using the fork. ඉතින් දුවේ පුතේ ඔයගලන්ටත් පුළුවන් ගෙදරදී ගැරොප්පුවක් වගේ ලේසියෙන් හොයාගන්න පුළුවන් දෙයක් යොදාගෙන මේ වගේ ලස්සන painting එකක් කරන්න. Okay, Odara, I thought to gift it for you.
Hey, let's give to Princess Marida.
Ah. Okay. Then
Because he gave me.
yes, let's thank her.
Thank you, Princess Marida.
Thank you so much, Princess Marida, for joining us. Then, ඉතින් දුවේ පුතේ අදත් අපි ඔයගලන්ට අලුත් handwork එකක් කියලා දුන්නා. ලබන සතියේ තවත් මේ වගේ ලස්සන අලුත් වැඩක් අරගෙන අපි එන්න. For the day, we are going to say goodbye. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and you have to
Click the bell icon.
yes. Goodbye, Sharon.
Goodbye, friends.